Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the brain teasers of construction of quadrilaterals. Coming to question number 2F, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD is equal to 5 centimeter and the diagonal AC is 7 centimeter. Okay, first construct the quadrilateral. So which type of method you have to use? The first one. One diagonal is given and all the sides are given, isn't it? So first draw the rough diagram and then the AC, that is 7 centimeter. Draw 7 centimeter, that is AC 7 centimeter. Now draw 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Okay. All sides are equal. So from A, draw an arc. From B, draw another arc. Even on the lower side, the same measurement, and from A again the arc. So it is this point will be B and this point will be D. Join all the sides. It is AB, (5 centimeter), BC 5 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter and AD 5 centimeter. Now write the measurements: 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and here also 5 centimeter. Now in the next statement they have told the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Now draw the diagonals. AC already drawn. Now draw BD. Now check. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles, isn't it? At O, both of them join at O. So all the angles are 90. So this is 90, 90, 90, 90. The diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So which type of quadrilateral is it? What type of quadrilateral is it? Answer: the quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Why? All sides are equal and the angles bisect each other at right angles. That is why it is a rhombus. Hope you are clear with this topic. First draw according to the first method and then say which type of quadrilateral. All sides are equal and the diagonals bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Now coming to the question G. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to CD is equal to 3 centimeter. BC is equal to AD is equal to 4 centimeter. That means opposite sides are equal and the diagonals AC is 5 centimeter, BD also 5 centimeter. Means the diagonals are equal and opposite sides are equal. Okay, now diagonal 5 centimeter is given. So first draw AC, draw the rough diagram, and now draw it is a 5 centimeter. Now 3 centimeter AB and CD, 3 centimeter. Take 3 centimeter AB. So from first write AC 5 centimeter. Now AB is a 3 centimeter. CD. So from C below draw the arc. Now BC and AD 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter. Okay. Now CB and AD. So this is B, this is D. Now join AB. You will get AB 3 centimeter and CD 3 centimeter, BC it is 4 centimeter, AD 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and the diagonals are 5 centimeter each. AC is 5. Now check BD. This is BD. This is 5 centimeter. Now which type of a quadrilateral is it? Opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are equal. So which is it? The quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. Why? Because the opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are also equal. So hope you remember from the understanding quadrilateral lesson all the properties of all the types of the quadrilaterals it is given. So accordingly you have to find out which type of quadrilateral it is. Now coming to the question number H. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which all the sides are 5 centimeter and angle A and angle B are 90 degree. Draw the rough diagram. ABCD. See, AB you have to take as the base because A and B are given 90 degree. Okay. So AB 5 centimeter, A B 5 centimeter. Now at both A and B draw 90 degree. You know how to draw 90 degree, isn't it? So draw a semicircle. Both sides 90 degree, so you can draw it together. Now from right side, if it is at A, from right side 60, 120. Now bisect 60 and 120. This is the same measurement on the other side also from left side, because the angle you are making at the right side, isn't it? The right hand corner of the line segment. So from left side 60, 120. Now bisect 60, 120. Because both are 90 degree, you can construct 90 degree together. It will save the time. So B and this join, draw a long line. Now again join and then check. It is 90 degree. Here also it is 90 degree. So right angle A 90 degree, angle B 90 degree. Now 5 centimeter. If you don't draw the 90 degree, you can't get that, isn't it? Five centimeter. On both these lines, cut the 5 centimeter. So now A, this will be D. B, this point will be C. Now join CD and check. Is it 5 centimeter? Yes. Join CD. So 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter. Is it okay? So it is how much? All the sides are equal and the base angles, angle A and angle B are 90 degree. So which type? They have not asked. The given quadrilateral, it is ABCD with the corner angles 90 and these two angles also will be 90. Yes or no? And the sides are equal. So which type of quadrilateral it will be? The quadrilateral ABCD. In case if they ask, quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Yes or no? Because the corner angles are 90 degree. Hope you understood. So we have completed the brain teasers of the construction of quadrilaterals. Bye. Thank you. All the best.